Welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Jenny and I work in marketing here at Fire Mountain. Many of you have written to us about Tronex brand pliers, and because you asked for them, we listened. We're excited about Tronex's unique 50-degree angulated flush cutter. The extra angle on the head and the thinner width of the jaw lets you make clean cuts in extremely tight spaces. Tronex pliers feature a unique bearing ring lap joint that causes less friction, so you get more precise plier movement, flusher cuts, and edges that stay sharper longer. The edges of the chain, flat, and curved nose pliers from Tronex have been rounded to reduce marring on your wire, metal, and chainmail projects. If you're serious about keeping your designs clean, consistent, and professional, be sure to add Tronex plier set and a 50-degree cutter to your shopping cart today.